Hi again, Kylene.
Hey,
Okay, let's go back. Can you see my screen?
not yet.
Not yet. Okay, how about this one? Let's see.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, good. Okay, now as I promised, let's try to read this again. On Friday,
On Friday,
the frogs
frogs
like
like
to
to
hop,
hop
hop
off
in
in
the
the
green
green
grass.
grass.
Okay, good job. Okay, now are you ready to read this on your own?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, one, two, three, go.
On Friday,
Friday, good job.
the frogs
Frogs, good job.
and
Like,
like
again,
like to to
to
hop
hop
in the grass.
It's not
Green,
grass. Yes.
green grass.
Yes, green grass. Good job. Good job, Kylie. Okay, next. What is this one?
Hmm?
Oops. This one. Say
Oh,
hi to this one, to the white
plate.
circle. This is a plate. Good job. When letter P, what's the sound of letter P?
Huh.
Pa. Good job. What's the sound of letter L? Ooh. And
Mm.
if we mix it, it's pull. Pull. Yes. And
Plate.
if we add t, we read this one as plates.
Plate.
Again,
Plate.
plate. What is the use of the plate, Kylene? It is used for
Eating.
eating. It is where the food are placed, right? Okay. In your plate during morning, what is your common food usually found in your plate? Can you give me an example?
Um, It's it's a plate
It's a
and
plate with
it's been there is design.
what's the color of your plate?
There are just only designs.
Designs. Okay, usually in the morning, what food do you place in your plate? You put what? What food?
Fish with rice.
Fish and rice.
Rice.
Wow. Rice?
Yeah.
Yes, fish and rice. Both so healthy. How about vegetables? Do
Mm,
you love vegetables? Not so. Not
yeah.
so. Not so. Okay, it's okay.
Burst.
Yes, that's a nice vegetable. Okay, now let's proceed to this one. It is letter. What is this letter?
Yes, and I know it.
S and
Slide.
L. Yes, you know it, of course.
Slide.
Slide. Have you tried?
My favorite.
Yes, your favorite. Slide. It is commonly found in a playground, right? A
Yeah.
playground or in
Yeah.
the mall, in the or a playground, still a playground for kids. A slide, yes. What is the color of the slide, Kylie? What's the
Yellow.
color of the slide? Yes, it is
Yellow.
color yellow. Okay, next. Good job. Okay, now let's try to read these words one by one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Plate.
Plate.
Play.
Game. Play.
Slide.
Slide.
Slip.
Slip.
Yes. First is plate. What is the color of the plate?
White.
White. Okay. Play. Okay, based on this one,
Play.
what do you think are they playing? They playing? I think you know this game.
Maybe snake and ladder.
Yes, it's snake and ladder. So you told me yesterday, last day, that you have a snake and ladder game. How about this one? What is this?
Slide.
Slide. Okay. What's the color of the slide?
Now, red and gray.
Yes, now it's red and gray. How about the slide that you have an experience of playing? What's the color of it? If you can still remember. Is it a long slide or short?
There is two slides. What I saw, yellow and
Yellow.
blue and red.
Wow.
Yellow
Is it long?
The yellow slide is it was short, and the long and the blue and red one it's long.
Long. So where did you try? The long one or the short one? You tried them all?
I tried both of them.
Wow, you're so brave. So you're not scared of it?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow, lucky you. Okay, how about this one? What is the boy doing? He is
Sleeping.
sleeping. Yes, sleep. Sleep. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's try to read this on your own. Let's say goodbye. Goodbye,
Goodbye.
pictures.
Goodbye.
Okay, bye-bye, pictures. Okay,
Yeah.
let's read. 1, 2, 3, go.
Plate.
Plate, good job.
Uh, Play.
Play,
Uh, Play.
slide,
Slide.
again.
Is that marker?
Yes, it is a marker. A magic
Why?
marker.
Why it disappear?
Yes, it's disappearing. Again?
Can you do pencil instead?
Pencil, pencil.
Than
Okay,
marker?
okay, okay. Okay, this one.
Yeah. Slide.
Slide,
Slide.
sleep, sleep.
Sleep.
Okay, good job. It's sleep. Again, again, again. Let's try. Slide,
Slide.
sleep.
Sleep.
Yes, good job. Good job, Kylene. Okay, now let's have this one. Okay, let's try to connect. This one to this one. How to read this?
Sleep.
It's this one.
It's sleep.
Slide.
Slide.
Yes, it's slide. How about this one? Play. Like this one.
Play.
Yes, a
Play.
play. How about this one? SLEEP.
B.
Like this one. What is that?
Sleep.
Sleep. Okay. Sleep. Good job. How about the next one? The last one. It's PL. Pull and 8.
Sleepy.
This one.
Plate.
Plate. Yes. Good job.
No.
Okay, let's try. Let's try to read this sentence, Kylene. Let's try to read this sentence. Wait for a moment. Can you still see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. We
We
play
play
on
on
the
the
slide.
slide.
We play on the slide.
We play on the slide.
Good job. And
And
then
then
we
we
go
go
to
to summer
sleep.
sleep.
What
Sleep.
summer? Sleep, yes. And then we go to sleep.
And then we go to sleep.
Okay, let's try to read
Again.
this on your own. On your own, 1, 2, 3, go.
We play on the slide. And we
Then
then we go to sleep.
yes. We play on the slide and then we go to sleep. Okay, Kailin, I have a question.
Hmm?
What time do you usually play? What time of the day? When you play with your sister? Anytime?
Weekend.
Oh, weekend. Yes, where? Still in your house? Are you playing in your house or you go outside? Ah, you're playing Barbie. Wow, your Barbie
But
is so beautiful.
it's
But
my sister's. My sister.
okay. And after that, what did you do after playing?
I will show you.
After playing, what will you do? You will go to? So that is your Barbie. Wow, it's so cute. So after you play, what will you do? You go to what?
Matnet.
You go to sleep? Are you going to
No.
sleep after you play? You will go to?
No. No. After my class I'm gonna sleep.
Ah, after your class, you're gonna sleep. Well, that's nice. Yes, of course, rest is really important. Okay, let's have the next one. We have this one. What do you think is
Drum.
this? What's the
Drum.
sound of the drum?
Boom boom
Boom,
boom
boom,
boom
boom,
boom
boom.
boom.
Yes, that is the sound of the drum. Okay, it's D plus R, D, and U and M. We read this one as drum.
Drum.
Good
Drummy
job.
drummy drum.
Drum, drum. Do you have a drum?
No.
No. But have you tried to play a drum?
No, I have a guitar.
Oh, you have a guitar. Must
Mm-mm.
Guitar is much harder than the drum, right? Because the drum
I
you only bump the screen above the top of the drum, but in guitar it is so hard, right? You know how to guitar, Kylene?
Yeah, I will show you.
Okay. You will show me?
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay, it's okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay.
What? It's okay for what?
It's okay, it's okay. Let's proceed to this one, to this part. Okay. How about this one? Do you have this one, this toy?
Car.
Car. What is the color of the car?
Green.
Green. Do you know Lightning McQueen?
Hmm?
Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen.
Yes, you know that one? This one, this
I
one.
didn't.
Do you know that?
Him?
Yes, Lightning McQueen. You know that movie? Yes or no?
I didn't watch it.
Ah, you didn't watch it. So sad. You can try to watch that movie. It's so nice. So Lightning McQueen, just like this one. Here, this car has eyes and a mouth. What's the color? Just like Lightning McQueen. So Lightning McQueen is a racing car. So you can watch that if you want to. You can try to search it in the Netflix or in Google or YouTube. Yes, Lightning
Uh,
McQueen. Okay, how about this one? If Lightning McQueen is color red, what is the color of this car?
Green.
Yes, green. But is it a car?
Yeah.
But what type of car? It is a,
Mm, car.
it's truck. It's truck.
Truck.
Yes, it's truck. Good job. Usually this is called truck because there is space in the back of this truck where you can put your things, your cabinets, anything that is you can put the things at the back of this. So kaya that is the reason why it is called truck. Again,
Truck.
truck. Good job. Good job. Okay, next let's try to read this one. This one. How to read this one?
Drum.
Drum. How about
Oh,
this?
that
Your
dress.
favorite. How about this?
Dress.
Dress. Yes. What is the color of the dress?
Blue.
It's blue. Yes. How about you? Do you have a dress? Are you wearing a dress right now? Are you wearing a dress?
No.
No, you're not wearing a dress. It's okay. How about this one? What's the color of this? Is it a car or a truck?
Truck.
Truck. What is the color of the truck?
Red.
Red, yes. And the last one, I think you know this.
Tree.
Trees. What is the importance of trees?
They 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 are they they are green and the down part is brown.
Brown. They are green and the down part they are green and the down part is brown. Do you know the importance of trees? Yes or no?
I know because they make us paper also.
Wow, they make us paper. Yes. Some papers are made up of trees, right? They are also
Yeah.
important. Yes, but one major important of trees, Kylene, take note of this. It filter our air. Do you know the word filter?
No.
It is used for removing toxic or dirt or germs in a certain thing. So just like the trees, the leaves
Uh,
in the trees filter our air. So it removes something that and gives us a fresh air. So if there's a place that has so many trees, so commonly if we went to that place, the air in that place is so fresh and clean, just like in a
here
province. Yes,
I
just
have
like in
trees.
yes.
I
You
have
have
trees.
trees in your home?
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
how many? How many?
A lot.
A lot. Yes, because trees are really important. Okay, good job. Okay, now I will circle a word, then try to read. This one, how to read this one?
Um.
It's truck.
Truck.
Yes, good job. Truck. Again? Again?
Truck.
Truck. Okay, good job. How about this one?
Drum.
Yes, it's drum. Okay, drum. Good job. How about this one?
Drum.
This one, it starts with letter G.
Dress.
It's green.
Green.
Green. Okay, green.
Green.
How about this one?
Dress.
Dress. Good job. Okay, next. Next, this one. What is this?
Tree.
Tree. That is a tree. Good job. Okay, how about this one? A truck. Again?
Truck.
Truck. Good job. How about this one? Someone who married.
Bride.
A bride. Yes. And this one? The
The
drum. Okay? Drum.
drum.
Okay, let's try. Let's try to
Drum.
this one. The woman likes her blue, what? Blue?
Dress.
Blue dress. Okay, let's try. The woman likes her blue dress. Your turn. The
The woman
woman
likes
likes her
her
blue dress.
blue dress.
Yes, good job. Okay, how about this one? What's the color of the truck? Red.
Red.
Yes, let's try to read this one. I ride
I ride
in
in
the
the
truck
truck
with
with
my
my
dad.
dad.
Okay, how about this one? Tree.
Tree.
Okay. A fox
A fox
lives
lives
under
under
the
the
tree.
tree.
Yes. Okay, how about this one? She
He
can
can
play
play
her
her
new.
new
What is this?
car.
Is it a car?
Play
It's a drum, right? It's a drum.
drum.
Yes, good job. Okay, let's try to read this one. I.
Why do I hear sounds?
Oh, there's someone here. Okay, don't mind it. I
Dili,
I
mag-follow up
I
dito sa nagreseta.
what
Okay, kaya
Ah.
pamakan kay panit.
drum
drum
in
in
the
the
truck
truck
by
by
the
the
tree.
tree.
Yes, I put a drum in the truck by the tree. Okay, last one. Let's try. One, two, three. Okay, let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, go. I
I
put
put
a
a
drum
drum
in
in
the,
the
how to read this one?
drum
Truck
truck
by
by
the
the
tree.
tree.
Okay, last try. One more try before we end our class. I
I
put
put
a
a
drum
drum
in
in
the truck.
truck
Yes, by
by
the
the
tree.
tree.
Okay, good job, Kylene. Okay, Kylene, I heard that this is our last class. It's so sad. This is our last class because you need to take a rest now for your reading class. Okay, did you learn something?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much for listening, Kylene. I hope to see you again after your rest days. Okay. Don't forget me
How
again.
many
What
days?
I don't know. Try to ask your mom. This is our last class for the reading class. So for the next day, you will not have a reading class anymore. So you will not see me. But of course, if you
Yeah.
come back again, just tell the admin of my name, okay? Again, what's my
Yeah.
name? I am teacher
Joy.
teacher Joy. I am teacher Sophia. Again,
Teacher
Sophia the
Sophia.
first. Yes, teacher Sophia.
Sophia.
Okay, don't forget my name. Bye bye, Kylene.
Yeah.
See
Bye.
you. See you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.